The one thing that computer are not good at is flipping the coin, because it is deterministic system. That means if you ask the computer same question twice, you will get the same answer every time. If you think about it, we program computer to reduce randomness. So how can it possibly be produce a random number? It can't. So in this Python code, I can generate a random number and it give me a random number 85 by library random. But it is not truly a random number. It is what we call a pseudo-random number. It is generated by a formula called linear congruent generator, in short LCG. In this, we use a value which called a seed value, which may be a time or millisecond or what something, and generally time ही होता है. So in if we get seed value and we know the formula, we can reverse engineer the whole sequence, and yeah, we get the whole sequence of random number. So it's truly a not random number. Anyone can find the whole sequence of random number, and they can see your secret files or anything. So we can use this random library or pseudo random number in small games or any small program, but not in highly secured databases or files, which is encryption, something important data. So we need a true random number, right? So if you think about it, we can only get a true random number with a source of entropy, means disorderness or randomness, right? And we see that computer program can't do that, because we programmed it to reduce randomness, and it cannot generate a random number, but a computer hardware can. So we go outside the computer, or we have to see inside a computer hardware. We can use something atmospheric data or keystroke of our computer and mouse movement. It is pretty random. No one can guess it, right? Or there is pretty good mechanism. We can find a randomness by source of our CPU or processor, Intel and ARM processor, which give random source of value, rand seed, which give a random value which used by a pseudo random value to produce a random value. So it is the only way to produce random number right now. I will give a good article of MIT article about it in description. You can see it. And this is about small brief how random number can generated by computer. Thank you.